Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Good. I am your Raksha man and today we are going to learn one new number in numeracy space. First, we will revise numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Children, you have already learned number 0. 0 means nothing. Number 1. 1 means one thing. One sun. Number 2. 2 means two things. 1, 2. So, tell me children, which number will come after number 2? Yes, number 3. So, today we will learn number 3. This is number 3. You all sing with me. This is number 3. Number 3. Number 3. So, this is number 3. Number 3. Now, let us learn how to spell number 3. T H R E E 3. T H R E E 3. Number 3. 3 means 3 things. Okay, what is this? These are fingers. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. Let us clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's learn number 3 by counting objects. Here we have different objects. Hey, what is this children? These are birthday caps, cards, packets of biscuit. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. Now I will show you how to write number 3. First we will do water writing. Dip your finger in the water, then start writing number 3. Reverse C curve. Again make a reverse C curve. Number 3. Now we will trace this dotted line. Make a reverse C curve. Again make a reverse C curve. Number 3. Children, here you can see the place of number 3. It comes after number 2 and before number 4. Let us start writing number 3 in our square line book. Tell your mama to prepare number 3 page like this in square line book. First, we will write date over here. Today's date is 1st of July 2020. Number 3. T-O. T means tens. O means ones. Children, All the single digit numbers from 0 to 9 are written under ones. So, how we will write number 3? Start from little bit below the above line, make a reverse C curve, again make a reverse C curve and touch the bottom line. Again, reverse C curve, again make a reverse C curve and touch the bottom line. Make a reverse C curve, again make a reverse C curve, touch the bottom line. Number 3. Start from little bit below the above line and make a reverse C curve and again make a reverse C curve and touch the bottom line. Reverse C curve, again make a reverse C curve and touch the bottom line. Number 3. Reverse C curve, again make a reverse C curve and touch the bottom line. Make a reverse C curve, again make a reverse C curve and touch the bottom line. Reverse C curve, again make a reverse C curve and touch the bottom line. Number 3. Number 3. This is how you will write number 3 in your notebook. Now we will draw 3 objects here. Children, you all know how to write number 3. So, with the help of number 3, we will draw 3 trees here. Let us start. First, make a reverse C curve. Again, make a reverse C curve. Start from here. Make a C curve. Again, make a C curve. Then, make a standing line, slipping line. Good. Again, make a reverse C curve, C curve. Again, make a C curve, standing line, slipping line. Again, make a reverse C curve like number 3. Make a C curve, standing line, slipping line. Our drawing is ready. 1, 2, 3. Now we will fill color. Okay, children, tell me what is the color of tree? Yes, green and brown. So we will fill here green color. Here we will fill brown color. Yes. Children, complete the page like this. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. I hope you have learned how to write number 3 in the square line notebook. Please do practice of writing the same in your notebook. Bye-bye kids. Have a nice day.